Hey guys. Um so today has not been a very good day because my husband and me we have been fighting a lot and arguing and stuff. And then it gets better and then we start fighting again. So that's not been so funny. But besides that, it has been a okay day. Not much did happen today, so I I've been out for a ride on my bike to the stores and to the doctor because I had to get my blood test done and that went okay. So that's good. Um, there's not really much to tell about today. I've not been doing anything, just playing on my computer, playing Ludo and tournaments and such. All day actually, and talking with a friend on Skype at the same time because she was playing too. So yeah, but I put the dishes in the dishwasher, so I've done something today at home. Um, Tomorrow I'm just gonna relax and um, play again and take a shower in my bathtub. Um, so I think it's gonna be great. Um, Quiet weekend, but that's okay. Once in a while, I guess. Um, and Tuesday, it's money day, payday, also called. So I'm looking forward to it. And at Tuesday, my cat is coming to the vet to get castrated because I cancelled it at Monday because my boss, as I told you yesterday, wasn't quite satisfied with me taking a day off. So I got it cancelled and I moved it to Tuesday. So I'm going to work at Monday if I can, but I'm gonna do it. I have to, and I'm going to start on my weight loss again. There, I bought a honey. What's it called? Hula hop ring. A hula hop ring, I guess. Um, hula ring, something like that, and it got weight in it, so it's pretty heavy. And I've heard you can get bruisers. I think it's called when you use it. So it must be very effective. I guess it's called. I don't know. I'm not very good at English, so um, right now my cat is laying on my lap. Um, so that's nice. Right, alright. Yeah, you're cute. And I'm drinking this, just one, just for pleasure. Mm, yeah, well, there's not really much to say. So this is gonna be a short video. I hope I got some more to tell tomorrow. It depends on what happens. If some of my friends stop by, or yeah, I don't know. But my mood has been a mess today. I've been happy, then I've been sad, then I've been angry. I've actually no control over my anger. I think I should start in some kind of anger management, but I don't know if that's possible for me. Um, because I can control it. I am freaking out all the time, and yeah, it's just like if you say boo, I'm just gonna rip your head off because I just can't. It's some shit, actually. I hate it. I just hate being me. I hate being fat. But that's okay. I'm gonna do something about it from Monday. I hope. Because this is not very attractive, or my belly, or my grandma arms. Um, so I really want to get rid of it. And I am going to, with a diet called 5-2. So it's okay, I hope. And I want to say thank you very much, because I've got a lot of views on my videos, and I'm very, very happy about that. I didn't see that coming. I wasn't expecting it. I was expecting to get like 2 views or something, but I've actually got like 50 almost on every video, and I've got 200, almost 300 visitors on my website. So thank you very much, all of you. You're amazing, and thank you so much for sharing my YouTube channel and my website and such, because it means a lot to me that I can help other people. And it makes me feel like I'm a good person, and it does something for me inside, because I feel happy and I feel some kind of peace. Um, so that's very, very good. But I don't know if I got to show you my new Minion teddy bear yesterday, but I think I did actually. But if I didn't, I'm gonna show it to you tomorrow, because my cat is laying on me, so I can't really stand up and go get it. And I don't want my husband to do it, so he's sitting over in the couch just looking at me like, "You want me to do it?" But no, he is playing Red Dead Redemption on his PlayStation 3. So that's quite nice. And I am going to see some cereals, I guess it's called. What's it called, honey?
Serious?
Serious.
Serious? You said cereals.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's like breakfast. You know. Yeah, it's like cornflakes or something. Yeah. Some series, I think it's called.
TV shows?
Yeah, TV shows, documentaries and such, and I'm gonna eat myself fat in chips. But I took something called Trimlet, which what's it called? Which is
Fat absorbing.
yeah, it's absorbing the fat in the food I eat. So it's very helpful. I am satisfied with it, and I'm just gonna take a smoke and enjoy my mokai and just relax and stay up until late, because it's weekend and because I can, I guess. You could be a little. You can have confidence sometimes. Yeah. But I hope you guys have had a great day, and you're gonna sleep tight. And to you guys who already is sleeping, I hope you slept tight, and I hope you are sleeping very lovely. So see you guys tomorrow, and thank you again for supporting me in this. Bye.